Okay, so this question we have give your answer in simplest form, and we have two fractions that are multiplied together. We can see in the hints by the side that the quick solving is to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. There is a quick multiplying and cancelling down solution, which we will look at later on in the video. So to step off with, we are looking to multiply the top and multiply the bottom. So in this case, we've got 3 multiplied by 1 over 10 multiplied by 4. That gives us an answer of 3 times 1 is 3 over 10 times 4, which is 40. We check at this point to make sure that this is in simplest form. There is no common factor other than 1 that will reduce this down, so our answer is in simplest form. You try this question, press pause while you're having a go. Okay, so this one multiplied across the top gives us 1 multiplied by 2, and bottom 5 multiplied by 3. 1 times 2 is 2 over 5 times 3, which is 15. Double check to see if this is in simplest form. Only 1 goes into 2 and 15, so this is simplest form answer. Next question, we are going to try this cancelling down. Now, cancelling down means that we should end up with a simplified answer at the end, providing we cancel down fully. And we do it either going diagonally or top to bottom. So we look for common factors diagonally or top to bottom, never side to side. So looking at this question up here, we should be able to see that 5 would go into itself once, and diagonally will go into the 10 twice. So we've cancelled part of that fraction down. We may be able to see at this point that 2 will go into itself, and it will go into 4 twice. And lastly, 2 will go into itself, and diagonally it will go into 6 3 times. Now we are left with no other values that go into each other. This leaves us with a quick calculation of 1 multiplied by 1 on top and 1 multiplied by 3 underneath. That gives us 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. Remember, this can be done in the same way by multiplying across the top, multiplying across the bottom. If we were to do that, we'd end up with 4 times by 5 over 10 multiplied by 6. Gives us an answer of 20 over 60. However, at this point, this is not in simplest form. Therefore, you would then go on to simplify your answer by dividing by 20 and dividing by 20 to give you a value of 1 over 3. Same answer, different methods. Have a go on the next question. Okay, so cancelling down way, we would have 3 goes into itself once, goes into 6 twice. 5 goes into itself once, goes into 15 3 times. No other values will go in diagonally or top to bottom. Therefore, we are left with 1 times 1 and 3 times 2, giving us an answer of 1 over 6. If you multiplied across the top first to give yourself 3 times 5 and 15 times 6, you would get an answer of 15 out of 90. This could be cancelled down as 15 goes into itself and it goes into 90, and it would still give you the same answer of 15 divided by 15 is 1, 90 divided by 15 is 6. Same answer, slightly different method.